Good day everyone. My name is Shaira Emayagan. I am 23 years old. I am currently live in Antipolo City. I am fresh graduate with a Bachelor of Industrial Technology major in Food Service Management in Marikina Polytechnic College. My educational background in elementary is Oceano College in Antipolo. Secondary is in San Roque National High School in Antipolo. My skills is good communication, flexible, problem solving, and critical thinking. I'm interested to applying for the position of manager in your company. I will show my skills and my knowledge so that our customer will patronize your company. I'm confident that good service will ensure our customer have an enjoyable dining experience. I don't have any experience on being a manager, but I do have knowledge and skills in manager. The experience that I have is server in Paddy's Point, service crew in McDo. My knowledge and skills is enough for the position that I'm applying for. Would you like to see my personal information? I have attached my application here. Sincerely yours. Thank you.